everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just want to give a quick thank you guys because in my last video there's been a lot of views, and so I just want to take this time to thank you guys. And if you want to support this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and like this channel. It really helps with the algorithm. But anyway, I'm just gonna get right into it. As promised, I'm coming back with part 2 of my mango haul. Okay, so first thing I got is this shirt that I'm currently wearing. I personally love blouses, and so I can never really get tired of them. There's so many different patterns and they're just easy to wear. So anyway, here's a clip of me wearing it so you guys can see the full thing. I like that it's loose. I especially love blue stripes. Blue is one of my favorite colors. I like how it goes against my skin, maybe because of the contrast, because it is a cold color. No, sorry, excuse me, a cooler tone. And I do have a warm skin tone. I have a warm skin tone. So I generally like how blues go against my skin. Now, this adds interest because of the stripes and because it's a blouse. If you guys have seen my other video on how to dress your dress shirt, this is a really good dress shirt, really, to do any of those things. So you can style it different ways, whether you want to do a bow, you want to tuck it in from the front, do a full tuck in, whatever you want to do, this shirt can definitely do that. Another thing I like about it is that it's light, so it's great for summer, but at the same time, it's also great for layering. So it's definitely a versatile piece because it is a blouse. Next thing I got here is just a basic t-shirt. I personally love sunsets, and so when I saw the word sunset, my eyes were just immediately on the shirt. And what I like about it is the cut, especially the sleeves. Now, the folded part, it is sewn in, but I like that it's not exactly a full t-shirt. Do you guys know what I mean? Like with the sleeves, it has like a, how would you say it? Like more of a V-shaped sleeve. So when I say V, it's because of this. So I kind of see a V. And I like sunsets. The shirt is nice, it's soft, and I like that when I tuck it in, whether it's in a mini skirt or high-waisted, whatever, it just nicely goes in. Of course, I had to go with this third item because I'm really loving mom jeans. Now with this particular one, I wasn't really expecting it to be tight-ish on the booty area or in the hip area. It is, but I still get that mom fit, which I like. And on my waist, it fits perfectly, but I don't know, I was kind of expecting the hip area to be a little bit looser. It wasn't, but it's not tight either. But I wouldn't say that I can do the any sit test. If you guys watched my other video where there were these pants from my part 1 haul that I loved because I could just sit however I wanted and without thinking about it. I think with this, it's a little bit more restricting compared to those pair of pants. I'm gonna stick in a clip right here so you can see. And yeah, I mean, it's not a bad thing, but I guess compared to those pants, I would prefer those pants, but I like these ones anyway. To be honest, I have to try more mom jeans from different stores. The problem is with the other mom jeans that I see, they're either really, really ripped up, or it's hard to find a good one that's just normal mom jeans. So I can't compare this quite yet with what others have. I do like the material. I like the fit. I wouldn't say that it's super comfortable though, which is always something that I'm looking for. I'm not mad at it, but I wouldn't say that it's something that you have to have. Next piece I have here is one of my favorites. This one I would say is a piece that you have to have if you can. So actually, when I first saw it, I put it on my wish list because it was out of stock. And then just one morning I happened to wake up and I saw the email notification, which never happens, almost never happens for me in my size. I saw it and I got it quickly. And what I love about this is the color. I really like the wrap effect on the front. As you can see, it just adds this extra interest and it adds shape. So it's not just a basic skirt. It is and it isn't. It is because it's of the color, because of the fit. It's your typical mini skirt, but with an added twist. See what I did there? There is a twist effect in the front, and you can pair this with so many different things. You can even put a coat on, you can wear it in spring, summer, and even in fall, you know, with stockings, or even in winter, depending on what kind of winters you have. Canadian winter, I probably wouldn't survive with it, but maybe in the beginning when it's not that crazy just yet. Either way, I really like it. It's one of my favorites. Love the color. I love the fit. I have so many different outfits already in mind for it, so I definitely recommend this skirt. Okay, last but not the least, it isn't a clothing item per se, but I have been really looking for these types of sandals, the strappy ones. Let me tell you guys my experience, because I have had strappy sandals before, high-heeled ones. I really loved them. The only problem was I loved how it looked, but I hated how it felt, because when I tie it, first of all, I didn't realize that the string would dig into my legs. And so I guess the type of string had an effect on that. It was quite thin, and there wasn't really much room for you to kind of adjust it in a way that works for you. So also the length of the string. So I didn't like that. So I didn't end up wearing those pairs of shoes that much, only if I knew I wasn't gonna walk very far. But to be honest, even then, I only lasted like 10 minutes in them, and then I would always find myself trying to adjust it, or just I wanted to give up on those shoes and just walk on my feet. So when I was looking for sandals, like a strappy kind of sandal, I wanted to make sure that the string was comfortable. So make sure you guys to look out for the kind of string it is. You're not just thinking about the aesthetic of, you know, of the item, but also the functionality of it. Because if you're unable to walk in it, it's ridiculous that you can only wear a piece of clothing just to take pictures with it. Because why invest in something like that? Anyway, with these sandals, I didn't have that problem. So I did do the walking test. I love it. And I think one of the reasons is because of the type of string that it is. It's comfortable. It's kind of made of this rubber, but it's soft, so it doesn't dig into your skin, and it doesn't rub into your skin to the point where you would probably get a rash or anything like that. And the length of the string, I would say, is enough for me personally to be able to adjust it and to make sure that it's secure. So I really like it, because if you look at the bottom part as well, the string part is nice and sturdy. So it's already there for you. You just got to slip your foot in. The only part that you need to really tie is, of course, the part that you want to wrap around your leg. And I love these. I love the color. I love the string. I love the fit. And I love that I can put it together with so many different things. I think with almost all of the outfits that I got from Mango, I can use these shoes with them. Or even if they're not from Mango, because they're a neutral color, or because they're the color is just really nice and fresh, and yeah, it's quite neutral, but not your typical beige or brown. It's like this olive green, which I really love. So the good thing about these sandals as well is the soles. The soles are the soles. Oh my gosh. Why am I struggling with my plurals and singulars? So the good thing about the sandals are the soles as well, because they're not so flimsy. You guys got to watch out for that too, because when you walk, it does affect your feet. You can feel it. And this has enough thickness for me to, I guess, to absorb shock. It's good enough for me so that I know that if I'm walking back and forth, I know that my soles are gonna come with me and that I'm not gonna leave them behind by accident. Also, it does come with a different color as well. So it comes in olive green, which is the one that I've gotten, and it comes in black, which goes with basically everything. So far, I have to tell you guys, I've been impressed with Mango. I haven't purchased anything before my part 1 and part 2 video from them. I like the material. I do think that for some items that the prices are a little bit overpriced. So I did get them when they had the sale for the whole site. Like if you spent, in my case, it was if you spent over 220 Canadian dollars, then you get a certain percentage off. So depending on the region, just check for those things. And I like them. So personally, for the price that I bought them at, yes, I would say that it was worth it. For all of them, no, I wouldn't say that, because I don't see the difference in material compared to items from Zara, for example, or from H&M even. Like the shirt, their blouses, there isn't that much difference. Yes, there is in terms of the fit. Personally, I do see that because of how it sits on my upper body for their dress shirts. I like it. I like the loose fit, but at the same time, there's shape. But material-wise, I don't see that much of a difference. I do think that size and proportion is important, but that varies also with your body type and your body shape. So I wouldn't fault them for that. I have to give them points though for it, because on me personally, it does fit great. So I like it. And that was it. If you guys liked it and if you guys found it helpful, you guys know the drill. Go ahead and hit that like button. And I just want to give a huge shout out to my new subscribers. I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I have some things planned out for you guys that I'm so excited. I'm working on them right now. And it does have to do with beauty standards. So as you guys know, my channel is about navigating the beauty world. But we actually want to know more than just style. It's important, of course, but how it affects the way that we think and how people perceive beauty. So I'm going to be working on that. Tune in for that. If you guys want to see that, make sure that you guys click the notification bell or just subscribe and come back, because I want to see you guys in the next one. Also follow me on my Instagram, where I post lots of fun things, updates, and outfit inspirations. So you guys can see the items that I've put on this video. I will be showing you guys some of the ideas that I have for outfits over there. Go ahead and follow me there. And I'll see you guys on the next one.